It took me several weeks before I came up with this video message, not really knowing where and how to start. Thank you, Roger, for making Marit happy, for taking care of her during the past years. Looking at the pictures taken during your last visit, you were noticeably weaker, has gone a little slower, and most of the time you preferred to stay at home because you were not feeling well. Physically, you were a shadow of our dear brother-in-law, who is cheerful, strong, one who blubbers about memorable anecdotes, although it was quite difficult for us to understand because of your heavy accent. One who loves taking pictures and videos, which we never really got to see. One who never fails to show appreciation for whatever deed is done to him, be it big or small. One who never fails to show appreciation for whatever meals is served him during meal times by saying the famous line that only he can deliver, napakasarap. Although I am devastated now that you are gone, I yield to the source of real wisdom that there is always a reason and a purpose for everything that happens under the heavens. I am grateful now that you are free from pains and that you are in a better place, and that you will continue to watch over Marit from above. My dear Roger, soar high into the arms of our Creator. And until we see you again, we will be taking care of Marit. We will be praying for you, and that you will always have a special place in our hearts. I love you, brother.